Hello and welcome back for this video. In this video I want to speak about the NGINX and how we can create a custom error page like the 404 and 500 pages if something is going wrong. That's what you got to learn today. I really hope you have enjoyed the 4 last videos about the NGINX. This is very common to know about the error paging in NGINX, so that's why I will teach you about how you can configure that as a very simple one. So let's go ahead and let's begin. Before we begin, I really hope you want to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the thing in the right corner below on the video. Thank you so much, and let's go ahead. The first configuration we want to work with should be the error page for the 404. So let's open up the configuration here, and I'll just run down here below, and what we're gonna do here is say error page should be 404 and should be custom 404.html. In that we need the location should be custom 404 HTML, and of course we have some data inside. We want to say the root should be var custom error, sorry, and then we will say that it should be internal. Then we know it's on the server and not on the proxy, something like that. Save it, and going for the root here and say mcdir error. Inside that we want to custom 404.html, and let's error 404. This page is not found. That's what we're gonna do, and say NGINX, and we have some error. Let's go back for that, and we're missing something down below. And this is the error here. Yes. I'll reload it, and let's go for the browser again, and let's say custom 404.html. Then you can see the browser here. I use Brave for the browser, and it's saying 404 and say should we check the cache and something like that. So the error page here it's basically working, so that's correct. You can do whatever you want in this page, and you can redirect the page. If the proxy is doing something, then they just redirect to this page, and it will handle itself on the proxy page and not on the system. So it's taking the load. I would recommend to do this because it's not something is happening always, but then you can make a central place to handle the 404 errors. That's a good way to do. So now the next one should be about we want to speak about should be the 500 error page, and how we can trick this. And I will use a fake socket, so I'll use a fast CGI and pass it to Unix sockets that doesn't exist, so that's why it will fail. So that's what we're gonna do now. So let's go ahead. Let's open the configuration again. Let's jump down to the error page about the 404. What we're gonna do now, it's just creating the error page for 500, 502, 503, and 504. We want to edit for custom 500x.html, and then we say location is equal to 500x.html, and we're gonna do something inside here. We want to say root var www error, and we use internal again. So let's create this error. Let's go out and see var here and errors, and say error 500x custom page, system error server bug. That's the normal way for error 500. So let's check about everything is fine. It is. So say NGINX reload, and then we reload it again, and let's go in for the browser and see about it's doing something. We just do this and it's hitting the error page 500. So let's see what happened here. Still, and proxy BA, and it's nothing because we don't have not found on that server, so we basically just do this. Let's go back for the terminal, and we still need a little bit because I promise you to make the fake socket so we can test this, and that's what we're gonna do now. And scrolling down for the error page, and here we want one. For this, I just say location, test socket, Unix socket, and then we go up here. Yeah, I know that's I need this one, and inside that I need to say fast CGI path is equal to Unix does not exist. And if I copy this one, close the file, and reload my NGINX, and going back for the browser, I should almost hit the page. That's what I expect, and we do that. So now we have the bug because the socket doesn't exist, and it's React basically what we want, so it's really perfect. Thank you for watching this video. That's how about you can work with the custom error page on your NGINX server. You can use it on proxy, and you can use it on standalone. It's up to you, and I'm really happy to have you here today. And I really hope you want to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the link below in the right corner, and if you like it, please like and share, and if you have any questions, please make a comment below. Thank you so much, and hope to see you next time. Bye.